In this video, we will show you how to make a DIY lounge chair for relaxation. The manufacture of this DIY chair will be of interest to everyone who loves woodworking. We will also show you how to bend wooden slats and many interesting nuances in making a lounge chair. The chairs meet your demand on 3 distinct grounds. First of all, those give best comforts as you relax with complete peace of mind on them. For the purpose of relaxation and comfort, no seating system could be the utilities given by these chairs. The chairs come with various shapes to meet the need of your body, and besides purpose and shapes, those combine the latest in styles. When it comes to well-proportioned designs and excellent styles, no seating system could beat these chairs. Fitted with cushions, the chair have the back and hardest, which have the identical design in proportions to lend cool looks to the chairs. Lounge chairs could meet variety of requirements of the users. The intelligent designing of the chairs has the utility of adjustment and can adjust the seating system in the chair to sit comfortably with your computer or laptop, or simply reclining comfortable position with a glass of your favorite drink. The chairs can add to your efficiency and you get best comforts while reclining on them. Due to excellent manufacturing quality in the chairs, the best in such chairs last longer than you could imagine. Combining style and grace in their designs, the chairs could perfectly complement the aesthetic of your place. Be it the swimming pool, office, or psychiatric clinic, such chairs are best for use almost everywhere. Lounge chairs are real exceptions in terms of service, especially the modern-day lounge chairs are full of utilities. The comfort and quality on those make you realize that money spent for buying those do not go in waste. You ultimately realize that such chairs are not merely seating apparatuses, but ultimates in comfort and luxury. The chairs are strong in their makes, well-crafted, extremely well-designed to last a lifetime. The designers have created these chairs in various styles and designs to match the lifestyle of people. Each of the design has its specific use, and the chairs might fit greatly into with the aesthetics of your home, office, swimming pool and clinic. Lounge chairs are back chairs that can be adjusted and moved to offer a variety of sitting positions. Designed to comfortably accommodate a range of user preferences, styles, and functions, lounge chairs can be used for various human postures, from sitting and reclining to stretching out and laying down. Lounge chairs are used as signature furniture pieces in homes, offices, waiting rooms, and communal spaces. Thanks for watching. Until next time.